Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag issue in Infinity Ops. If your Infinity Ops gameplay is lagging or stuttering, don't worry at all. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can fix lags and improve performance. First of all, make sure to check your internet connection on your device. Make sure you have the stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data connection. And once you do that, open up Infinity Ops game. From the home page, go to the top left corner and tap the gear button. Inside the settings menu, click on graphics at the top, and under graphics, decrease the screen resolution under general setting by dragging this bar towards the left. Now you can go ahead and scroll down, and under graphics settings, tap on either average or low. Once you select that, go to graphic quality and make sure all of them are either average or low. And once you are done, you can get back to the main home screen. While playing the game, make sure no other applications are running in the background that may consume memory. If you've got any other unwanted applications on your device, try deleting them as well. And once you make sure these instructions are followed, you will be able to fix lag issues on Infinity Ops. So that was how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.